Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the main power control board in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new main power control board. The main power control board is located at the back of the refrigerator. It controls and operates all of the major refrigerator functions. If you are experiencing one or more problems with your refrigerator, the main power control board should be checked and replaced if needed. Now we're at the back of the fridge and we need to remove this cover panel. Behind the panel, we will find the main power control board. Using a Phillips screwdriver, taking out a couple of screws on the top. And then I'm going to pull off the panel. Well, just in case if we will manage to forget all these plugs, because this is only a couple of them, take a picture. Well, now I'm going to press the tabs on the side and pull out the plugs. All right. After we're done with the plugs, we now can remove this control board. There's a tab here on the top. I'm going to pull it up and release the board. This is the old main power control board next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so now we're going to install the new main power control board. If you notice, I'm holding it by the sides. I try to avoid the direct touching of the chips and diodes and resistors on the control board. So I'm going to put it in at the bottom, and I'm going to bring the top in and lock it in. Now I'm going to connect all the plugs. It's only one or two of them. Piece of cake. All the best part of it that you can mix them up because they're all color coded and they kind of the harness is right against the plugs. So start at the bottom. You can start any place you would like to. Press it in. Make sure it clicks every time. If you notice, we're missing this one because it's not there. This control board has universal features built in, so this particular fridge doesn't use all the plugs. And let's double check before we're going to close the panel. Let's make sure everything is in place. We're not missing any connection. Now I'm going to push this harness in. And we can close this panel. All right, so this is the cover panel. We have two tabs at the bottom that goes into these slots here at the bottom. And I'm going to bring up the cover panel, and I'm going to secure it with a couple of Phillips screws here on the top. First, I'm going to move it. So we're going to match the holes. All right, plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.